Okay, let's see if the Mic Mini is going to work with the microphone connected to my jacket and my iPhone. You be the judge. If this doesn't work, it's going to be a big disaster, and I'm going to put my honest review in it. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mic Mini. Now, just for context, ever since I've been creating content, I've never used a mic, ever. I believe this is going to be a game changer, and I'm going to be unboxing and I'm going to be testing the sound range to see if this is a good mic to get as your first mic in 2025. Now, without any much further ado, let us go to the unboxing of this little bad boy. Let's go. This might be the most exciting audio upgrade I've unboxed. Or is it? I finally got my hands on the DJI Mic Mini, a compact and budget-friendly wireless microphone designed for creators, vloggers, and content makers. Let's dive into unboxing and see what we have inside. My first impressions while unboxing this Mic Mini was premium quality. Like, there's this similarity between DJI and Apple products that you just know you are buying value for your money, and I got the same feeling from DJI. First up, a USB charging cable. Now, DJI includes a USB-C charging cable to power up the mic. It's simple, it's essential, and it's easy to carry. It also feels sturdy and should hold up well over time. Next, we have the windshields. Now, I've always seen this on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. I've seen content creators carry along, but I've never known what the name is. Now, as the name implies, it helps to reduce background noise and wind interference. It's perfect for outdoor shootings, interviews, and vlogging. It also helps to make sure your audio remains crisp and clear, even in less ideal conditions. And finally, we have the transmitter. Now, this is the main microphone unit. It's lightweight, it's compact, and it clips directly onto your shirt or your jacket. It also has a magnet at the back of the clip that you could put in between your shirts to give you a more pristine look. It is a hands-free recording device. The build quality feels premium, and it has a discreet modern look, ideal for professional and casual look. On the case itself, it has the power button and the pairing button on it. Also, in the unboxing, you get to have the DJI Mic Mini transmitter charging dock. I know that's a mouthful, but basically this is where you put your transmitter to charge once the battery is low. It gives a premium and quality look, and it's very sturdy too. To power up your transmitter, you press the power button down till your green light starts beeping. Once the green light starts beeping, you press the pairing sign until the blue light starts beeping. Now, once that beeps, all you need to do is to find the item on your iPhone or whichever phone you're using, pair it to it, and it gets connected. Now, once this is connected, you can start recording, which is what I did. Okay, so I've connected my Mic Mini to my jacket, and I'm going to do a range test. I heard it could record as far as 40 meters. I don't know how true that is, but I'm going to test it on my iPhone. Now, I don't have the transmitter that goes in hand with the Mic Mini device. I hope it works, because now I'm going to see I think I made a mistake in purchasing this without the transmitter. But let's see about that. Let me record, and I'll let you know how it goes. Don't forget, I'm recording with my iPhone. I'm just going to put it up here, and hopefully we get some magic on it. Better still, I think I'll put it down there, the baseline. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's see if the Mic Mini is going to work with the microphone connected to my jacket and my iPhone. You be the judge. If this doesn't work, it's going to be a big disaster, and I'm going to put my honest review in it. I've connected the Mic Mini to my Bluetooth on my iPhone, and now let's record with the iPhone and let's see if it works. I'm putting the video mode on here. I'm also going to be recording all the way down there. The Mic Mini is on. Let's see if it works. Alright, so if this really works, you would hear an amplified voice.
and let's say about that, the active voice activation should come up automatically. It's still the same as what we had before. Did this work?
Did it work? We'll see when I play it in. Speak to you soon. Did this work or did this not work? We'll see when I play the video. I'll see you soon. Peace. Alright, so I'm back from my testing, and unfortunately the recording did not capture the audio. The reason for that is because I was using the transmitter, I wasn't using a receiver. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with a receiver. You have to buy the receiver to amplify the recording if you're using an iPhone, a GoPro, or any device you are using. So I'm quite disappointed, but yeah, it is what it is. We live and we learn. So this has to come with a receiver. You need a receiver for this transmitter to be recorded. But I would, in my next video, try to get the receiver, amplify my voice and my recordings and audio, and make my videos more crispy clear. Until then, I'll speak to you soon. Peace.